Easy way to enable voice chat in Roblox 2025 guide, step-by-step tutorial. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. To use voice chat in Roblox, you must be 13 years or older. Open Roblox, go to three dots icon bottom right corner, scroll down and go to settings. Before we verify or add something, we need to check voice chat option appear or disappear. Go to privacy and content restriction, go to communication. So there is no voice chat option. Now we know what we need to do. Go back to settings, then click on account info. You must need to verify your age. Roblox know how old you are. You can do this by uploading an official ID and taking a selfie to prove it's you. Press verify my age button. Start session. Upload a photo ID option is used to prove your real identity. You need to take clear pictures of your ID card, front and back, to verify your age on Roblox. Choose any of the following. I go to driver license. Front of driver license means you need to take a clear photo of the front side of your driver's license. This helps Roblox check your name, birth date, and photo for age verification. Do for back of driver license refers to the reverse side of your license, which may contain a barcode or other details. Once this done, your voice chat get enabled. If not, go to account info and add phone number. Enter your phone number and make sure country code is correct. Then press continue. Roblox maybe send a verification code, enter code, and done. If you still face any problem, leave a comment. I'll reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.